Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0747 indicates an issue with the automatic transmission's clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, which is stuck in the on position. This malfunction can severely impact the transmission's performance, causing it to only shift into second or fifth gear due to a fail-safe function meant to protect the vehicle. The automatic transmission fluid, ATF, plays a crucial role in the operation of this solenoid valve by activating the pressures necessary to engage or disengage various gears. The solenoid itself is located within the transmission assembly, specifically within the valve body, which houses various components responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure. This code not only indicates a malfunction, but also suggests that immediate diagnostic procedures must be followed to prevent further transmission damage. Proper identification and rectification of this issue will help restore normal shifting functionality and ensure the vehicle operates smoothly. DTC P0747 highlights a problem with the clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, located inside the automatic transmission assembly. This component is responsible for regulating the hydraulic pressure that controls gear shifting. When this solenoid is stuck in the on position, it prevents the transmission from shifting into gears other than second or fifth. As the fail-safe function activates to protect the transmission, the valve body containing this solenoid is integral to the transmission's operation, influencing how power from the engine is transmitted to the wheels. It is critical to understand that if this solenoid fails, the entire transmission performance is compromised, which can lead to poor drivability and potential further damage over time. Addressing issues related to DTC P0747 promptly can help prevent costly repairs and maintain vehicle functionality. There are several potential causes for the occurrence of DTC P0747. The most common and direct cause is a faulty automatic transmission, AT, clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, which may be stuck or malfunctioning. Additionally, electrical wiring or connectors leading to the solenoid may have issues, such as corrosion or damage, that can disrupt signal transmission and cause erratic behavior. Furthermore, internal transmission problems, such as low fluid levels or wear and tear on internal components, could exacerbate the issue by affecting solenoid operation. Each of these factors plays a critical role in determining the overall functionality of the transmission, so it is imperative to thoroughly inspect all possible causes when diagnosing this code. Addressing these issues in their early stages may prevent more significant and expensive transmission repairs down the line. When DTC P0747 is present, several symptoms may become apparent, indicating issues with the vehicle's transmission. The most notable symptom is limited gear shifting capabilities, where the vehicle can only shift between second and fifth gear due to the fail-safe function. This restricted shifting can lead to poor engine performance, as the vehicle may struggle to accelerate and maintain speed. Additionally, prolonged operation under these conditions can contribute to overheating of the transmission, putting further strain on its components. Drivers may also notice unusual sounds or sensations while driving, indicating a larger issue. Being aware of these symptoms can assist in quicker diagnostics and repairs, ensuring the driver's safety and the longevity of the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0747 is to perform an inspection of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Start by warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature until the radiator fan activates, ensuring the fluid is at an optimal state for inspection. Next, verify that the ATF is filled to the recommended level and check for any signs of fluid leaks around the transmission. This is crucial as low fluid levels can lead to improper solenoid function and eventually result in transmission failure. After confirming the fluid level, drain the ATF through the strainer to inspect for metal debris or excessive clutch material. The presence of such materials would indicate potential internal damage or wear, leading to the malfunctioning solenoid valve. If metal debris or excessive clutch material is found, replacing the transmission is necessary. If not, proceed to the next troubleshooting step by replacing the ATF. For the second troubleshooting step regarding DTC P0747, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard diagnostics to power up without engaging the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the stored DTCs, which helps ensure that you are addressing any current issues without interference from past faults. Once cleared, start the engine while pressing the brake pedal and shifting into drive. At this point, check the status of the second pressure switch using the HDS. This switch is crucial as it confirms whether the transmission system is functioning correctly. If the second pressure switch engages with a noticeable shock when gears are engaged, the failure has likely been duplicated, indicating a faulty AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A. In such a case, the appropriate course of action would be to replace the secondary valve body. If the switch does not turn on, it indicates an intermittent failure or that the system appears to be functioning correctly at that moment. After performing the suggested repairs for DTC P0747, it is essential to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issue has been resolved. First, recheck the diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS to verify that DTC P0747 is no longer present in the system. This confirms that the repairs made have addressed the underlying issue. Following this, it is crucial to take the vehicle for a test drive under varied conditions to ensure that the transmission operates correctly across all gears, not just second and fifth. Listen for any unusual sounds or shifting issues to guarantee that everything is functioning smoothly. This step is vital to ascertain whether the symptoms associated with DTC P0747 have been fully resolved and confirm that the repair efforts were successful. Finally, ensure the vehicle operates normally during the test drive, reassuring the driver of the vehicle's reliability. Preventive maintenance is essential in maintaining optimal vehicle performance and longevity, especially concerning the transmission system that could trigger DTC P0747. One of the primary preventive measures is to perform regular changes of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, according to Honda's recommended intervals. Fresh ATF ensures that the solenoids function effectively and that the hydraulic system operates smoothly. Additionally, routinely inspecting transmission components, including the solenoids and wiring connections, can help catch potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Another important aspect is to monitor the vehicle's shifting performance during regular driving, allowing any irregularities to be addressed immediately. Consistent attention to these preventive measures will contribute to the health of the transmission system, reduce the risk of DTC occurrences, and enhance overall vehicle reliability. In summary, DTC P0747 signifies an issue with the automatic transmission clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, which is crucial for seamless gear shifting. When this solenoid malfunctions, the vehicle can only operate in limited gears due to its fail-safe function, leading to poor performance and potential transmission damage. It is essential to follow the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently, starting with an ATF inspection, followed by checking the second pressure switch. Any findings should be addressed promptly to restore the vehicle's functionality and ensure a safe driving experience. Preventive maintenance should also be a priority moving forward, to minimize the chances of encountering this issue again. Ultimately, swift action and thorough attention to both troubleshooting and maintenance can lead to successful resolution and prolong the life of the transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.